From thought to real-world applications, innovation has its transformative power to shape a future grounded in practicality. We're gonna roll out the new IP, UWELL Dillon, with infinite possibilities. UWELL Dillon dares to spark, to explore, to define. Under UWELL Dillon, we released the first product, UWELL Dillon EM-LOCK system. It adopts EM-LOCK, an innovative anti-leak solution, and leaking for a sleek vape experience. EM-LOCK features an electric shield that surrounds the coil. Activated by the electromagnet, this shield opens during use and closes during standby to prevent the e-liquid from contacting the coil. Say goodbye to annoying leakage from now on. Gifted with great vision, UWELL Dillon can vision great.